Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we will learn about vapor-liquid equilibrium diagrams. The basis of distillation is phase equilibrium, specifically vapor-liquid equilibrium or VLLE, which is vapor-liquid-liquid equilibrium. So today we will learn how to plot those VLE curves and we will do the analysis later. So let's start. Understanding the concept of VLE is important for designing and analysis of distillation columns. So, vapor pressure is a function of temperature only. It is a pressure that a pure component exerts at a given temperature when liquid and vapor phases are present. So, this dependence is a strong one because with a slight increase in temperature, there is an exponential increase in vapor pressure. Today, we will generate binary VLE phase diagram. There are two types of diagram that are used to represent the data, and they are temperature versus mole fraction in liquid phase and mole fraction in vapor phase. The another one is mole fraction in vapor phase and mole fraction in liquid phase. They are generated at constant pressure because the pressure in distillation column is relatively constant except in vacuum distillation where top and bottom pressure are different in terms of absolute pressure level. So, for this, a TXY and XY diagram are convenient for analysis. Let us see the problem statement for today. Component 1 will be benzene, component 2 will be toluene, and property method which we will use here is Chow-Cedar with Lee-Kessler enthalpy. Chow-Cedar equation gives accurate predictions for light hydrocarbons and hydrogen, but it is limited to temperature below 530 Kelvin. After entering the data, we will plot temperature versus mole fraction in liquid and vapor phase and then analyze the results like we did in the previous video. Let us now move to the Aspen Plus environment. Open Aspen Plus and select New. Select a blank simulation. Now select components, toluene, add selected compound, then benzene, add selected compound. Now close this. Click on next. Now the property method which we will be using is Chow-Cedar. You have to click on analysis, then go to binary. The valid phases are vapor and liquid. We are taking the bases as mole fraction and we will vary benzene. The value of pressure will be an atmosphere and it is 1. Now let us click run analysis. This is the plot we will get. You can also plot x versus y from the plot wizard. Select yx and this is the yx diagram for benzene and toluene. Here it is one component which is benzene. You can also change the component to toluene from here and you can see that. You can also make TXY plot for another pressure which is 0.5 and then run analysis. As you can see that these are for two pressures. One is 1 atmosphere and the another one is 0.5 atmosphere. Now let us analyze the result which we got. As you can see that x-axis is liquid slash vapor mole fraction of benzene, y-axis is temperature, and the lower curve is saturated liquid line. The upper curve is saturated vapor. This lower curve gives mole fraction of benzene in liquid phase and upper curve gives mole fraction of benzene in vapor phase. Draw a horizontal line at temperature 370 Kelvin. You can observe that mole fraction of benzene in liquid phase is 0.37 and mole fraction of benzene in vapor phase is 0.57. As expected, the vapor is richer in the lighter component, which is benzene. At the leftmost, there is toluene This is pure toluene and the boiling point is around 384.7 Kelvin. And at the rightmost is pure benzene. The boiling point of pure benzene is 353 Kelvin. In the region between these two curves, there are two phases, and below saturated liquid line, there is subcooled liquid. This region is called subcooled liquid, and above saturated vapor line, this phase is called superheated vapor. I hope you guys find the video quite useful and you will be able to do it on your own next time. You can follow our Instagram page. The link is in the description box below. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.